Let me ask you a question. Would you like to know a quick, simple way to tackle anxiety? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. In this video, I want to give you a very simple way to tackle anxiety. The simplest way to tackle anxiety is to ask yourself an all-important question, which is an anxiety-busting question. And the question is, what's my next action? What's my next action? Then do it, and do it now. So whenever you are stuck with anything, whenever you are under stress, it's a good time to ask yourself the question, what's my next action? Then do it, and do it now. I hope you like the idea. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, take care.